lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls.
I've been doing everything to avoid all this challenge.
Yeah.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Liam part I'ma have. Get in the spirit. Get in the spirit. Okay guys, the team just lose. Arsenal. Listen, that is a lose for Arsenal. When you did the pan tap and when you drop at what's in the pan table now?
Still at that.
Oh. But you're not well firm pan tap. Alright. Okay guys, so today I saw a challenge online and me want to try it. And me ask the man, like, gentleman, sir, can you please join me in doing this challenge? Me eat film for the back camera because I can't say I don't know if it'll work. And me I get, what do you call that? What do you call that? I don't know, let me go look. Anxiety. Oh, it's a film. Alright. Okay, I'm just make sure. Alright, you ready? You ready to start? Cameraman, go and ensure that our head is not cut off. Alright. So guys,
I'm going for my girl.
this is, we're going to insert the clip of what we are planning to do. Alright? You see my face? You see my head?
Yeah.
Alright. So, I'm going to insert the clip of what we're trying to do. And then we can
See result.
Alright, so you ready? Push back your asa. Careful of my tail on the fan.
Take time on my little back here too.
What now, aren't we? We're still in our prime, you know? Alright, you ready? Maybe if you look at stretch.
Come on.
Yeah, stretch man, go and stretch.
Yeah. Ready now?
Yeah, loosen yourself a little bit man.
Loose yourself.
Yeah, shake
Ready?
off.
Alright. So you remember how to do it?
Yes.
You remember?
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm going to put my hands up. And you're supposed to hold my hand and flip it over you.
You think we put one pillow down on the ground just in case anything happen?
Bro, you don't believe that we know.
You don't believe no. So come, Kuchai, come.
Ready again?
Yeah, come.
Cameraman, you see where we go down?
Yeah, me not see your face when you go down, but
You know, the face no matter on. Right?
take time.
One hand will be better than one, yeah. Yeah.
No.
Alright, come again.
Come on, come.
Busy.
Take time.
Ready again? One of your hand hold my hand firm, but the other hand is kind of loose. Ready again? Go up off his feet. Come. Yeah.
We feel afraid for no safety, you know. Mommy! Jesus!
Oh my god!
Oh, shit.
Good job, good. No.
No more of this, no more of this.
You don't put me in. You don't jump put me in.
No more of this, no more of this.
No.
Yes, I
You
said
never
that.
even tried it.
If I'm gonna try.
You just jump on me. Oh my god.
Oh, you want ice pop?
I do.
Me tell you no. I'm not teatro.
Tell the truth, it's swear say you have me.
Oh, Bella. This is me have to. Oh, sure. Charge what? Yeah.
The head of me on my shoulder. Oh God. Brother, you never tried. You never even tried to lift me up, look at it.
Did that.
I call you right now. Oh, you know, and I tell them it get
Right, to say challenge then. Right to say challenge.
Yellow coffee.
No.
Coffee yet.
Oh God. Brother, you're not even trying to lift me up. I love you, Dada.
I don't know.
Oh my God. It's,
That's a bad.
I'm gonna go lick me getting a solid. Oh God, no man.
Oh shit, man. Oh shit. Oh shit.
I don't love this at all.
I love this neither. This a challenge.
Don't come to pull on my husband.
Jay, me think say maybe man that can flip me over, but at least he could have hold me.
Alright,
Hold your
you
hoe.
said flip up on your back.
Yeah, I flip back.
If you flip up on your back, probably your back would have much up in the morning.
But you flip me straight on my head.
You know, I'm not flip you. You know, say you're not flip. You're not flip none at all. You just go down. Eh?
Should I see
Alright, come again.
Me not trying to get you crazy. I want to try that again. You better, you're crazy. Oh my God. My head hurt, my shoulder hurt. I saw me just
You don't know if you break your fall.
good old Lingand bridge to back.
You don't know if you break your fall.
What? Oh my God, I'm falling when you hold the two hands. Oh.
You don't do your job.
What tears are running to the eye of me and laugh. Who said maybe you can't lift me up?
No more.
I just want to see if I really think we'll manage. I feel like ready to laugh, Johnny to laugh, no.
I made it all laugh.
You gonna laugh.
Drop and you get up and start.
I will drop.
Start laugh too. When you drop and you start laughing,
Oh
start laugh.
God. Jesus. Father. This was it. This was it. Comment down below which challenge you want us to try next week. No more lifting.
No more lifting. No more flipping.
No more lifting, no more flipping.
An easy one.
Yeah, comment an easy one that you want us to try next week, because brain feels shake up.
Is that funny, you know?
Oh my God! Oh Lord! John, I think you really have me, man. I mean, come tell you, so when I hand me good, you know, and firm, you know. I mean, I say, yeah, man, the hand I feel firm, but you need to firm up the next hand.
So firm up here.
Yeah, but firm up, it can slip right out of your hand. From the shoulder, from the head. Jesus. Oh God.
Did you have cocoa?
It was fun to try though. Well, at least my bald.
The ball.
Like my head bald, you know, like the little ear.
Oh.
If you have hair on the side, you could have pushed on it.
Oh God. Jesus. Woo, it was a lot, man. I used to try it. We tried. Oh. Really better than lamb. Lingand lamb try it too, you know. Panen channel, you know. I know Ling no come off by girl, but at least Ling no lick her head. Oh my God. It was fun. So comment down below another challenge that we can try next week. And not a flipping one, not a lifting one. You have to remember me weigh 200 pounds. I'm done. I'm done, okay? Ooh, Johnny with the eyes.
I'll come back with it.
All of the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive.